Hey guys, I'm Aria. This is my channel. So, welcome. I've just decided to make videos on a regular basis and I have no idea what I'm gonna be talking about here. I've never done this before except one time for my Road Reel Film Festival. You can check it out up here somewhere. So, who am I? I start my journey by learning photography, shooting videos, then editing and etc. And now I'm a filmmaker. I make short films, commercials, video art, stuff like that. And I study digital arts at university. I'm not sure what this channel is going to be about, but I think there will be tutorials, camera gears, how to make a short film, shooting videos, building a new habits, and in general sharing my journey as a filmmaker with you guys that hopefully can be useful. But I know something for sure. When you start doing something new, you don't know exactly what you are going to be doing unless you just start it. So might as well just do it, right? You know what they say about beginner YouTubers? Their first many videos could be terrible, and this is one of mine. I post some video arts. They are kind of weird but cool. I think you will like it. You can check it out on my channel. So this was just an introduction. Lots of content are on their way. I post every week. It would be great if you guys subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.